Alright, nandito na naman tayo mga kaibigan. Ordinary day, ordinary life, ordinary news mga kaibigan. Ito na ang nagtitrending ngayon sa part ng Amerika. Pilipino, okay, si Kabayan, kulong, arestado sa human trafficking, wage theft at senior care. Ito na mga kaibigan ha, ay talagang hinatulan ng judge ng 19 years na pagkakulong. Ito na.
The victims are Filipino immigrants who were lured into work at two elder care homes in North County run by the couple Maria and Rolando Corpus, who are also Filipino. The DA says that the victims are prisoners of their own circumstances. As the couple left the courthouse today, I pressed them for answers, but they refused to comment.
You pleaded not guilty to it, but these are very serious allegations.
The defendants preyed on her dreams for a better life. They withheld a portion of her meager wages every month, promising to pay an immigration attorney to help her gain full legal status.
Taga saan kaya itong dalawa na ito? Okay, itong mga kaibigan na ating kababayan ito na charged with human trafficking. May business ito na ang business nila ay care elder care health or taga-alaga ng matanda. Okay, continue lang ha.
The couple's out on $300,000 bail. They were arrested on March 26. Now, a judge denied the prosecutor's request to increase it to $1 million. The judge also ordered media to blur their faces in court video. But prosecutors say that between May 23rd and June 24th, workers were forced to care for bedridden seniors around the clock, sometimes administering medications and injections with no training or certifications. 3 workers, 20 seniors, no overtime. The DA says that one worker was paid less than $7 an hour and lived in the patient's room. The couple's accused of withholding nearly $19,000 in promised legal fees, paying out only $4,000. An audit found that she was owed more than $175,000 in back wages. 3 employees caring for 20 people at Rose Garden Vista and Rose Garden Capo in Escondido. Now, after the first victim came forward, 2 more did as well. Meanwhile, prosecutors say the Corpus couple lived in a lavish lifestyle. They had nice cars, multiple homes, and care facilities. One victim reached out to the Filipino Workers Center, an organization that says Filipinos make up the largest demographic in home care in California.
Today, human trafficking, labor trafficking is modern day slavery, which is often cages that don't have bars.
Ito mga kaibigan, ang nagdemanda dito, Pinoy din. Okay? Pinoy din si Kabayan, no?
Invisible.
Now, those legal fees stemmed from immigration attorneys that they promised that they would try to get their immigration status. The organization praised the victims for their courage and says that this case should put employers on notice. The state has now stepped in to provide care at the homes. Now, I did search on the state's licensing website, and I did find that the last inspection at one of the facilities was last August, and there were citations listed, but the site did not specify for what and when. I reached out to state licensing for clarification on what they do next. I've not heard back. If the couple is convicted, they face 19 years in prison.
Ayan, mga kaibigan, yan ang hatol ha. Okay, convicted na sila. 19 years in prison. Wow, tagal naman. 19 years. OMG. Basahin nga natin mga comment nating mga kababayan. Shame of judge for not agree, blah blah blah. Ayaw na mag-agree daw ng judge sa 19 years. But natuloy na. Matakaw sa kwarta, parang politiko sa Pilipinas. Okay? The bail money was stolen. Ito mga kaibigan, napakahirap talaga magnegosyo sa ibang bansa. Alam ba, may negosyo ka dito sa part ng Amerika, Canada. Ay talagang dapat sumunod ka sa batas. Okay? Huwag ka mukhang pira. Pag ikaw ay mukhang pira, ay sigurado madidimanda ka ng iyong mga worker. Or kaya yung patient mo. Patent. Okay na. Napakahirap mga kaibigan. Continue lang. 19 years in prison. Nako, kung buntis ka at maliit pa yung baby mo bago ka lumabas, dalaga na ang magiging anak mo. 19 years in prison. Napakatagal mga kaibigan. Continue pa.
Disturbing allegations. Abby, is this couple associated with other senior facilities?
Now, I want to clarify these charges stem only from the Rose Garden homes, but in our research, I found that they are associated with other elder care facilities.
Pang matanda nga, okay? Mga matanda, inalagaan nila. nurse ito, nagtayo ng negosyo. Kaya lang ay nagkaroon ng something. Ayun. Nadali sila. Nasilipan sila ng butas. Magpasahod, maliit. Okay? Kaya ayan. Grabe. Human trafficking, ha? Okay, continue lang.
Here in the county, and the DA says that this investigation is far from over, that this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you or someone you know that is a victim, please reach out to the DA's office.
Sounds like there's more to come in this case. Abby Black reporting for us. Thanks, Abby.
Ayan. Talaga naman, mga kaibigan, talaga namang nagtitrending yan sa abroad ngayon. Ha? Kaya naman binabatikos, ha? Ay hati ang opinion dito. This happened in the SP Bay area a few years ago. The family-run daycare center, pretty much the same exact story. Okay, yung mga Pilipino kasi mahilig magtayo ng negosyo ng mga care, elder care, tagalaga ng matanda kasi yun ang manpower yun yung mga ganyang negosyo, hanap buhay. Ibig sabihin ng manpower parang aalagaan mo yung isang tao na ang puhunan mo, siyempre katawan lang din ng tao. Okay? Walang involved dito na product. Kailangan, pag nag-aalaga ka ng negosyo ng mga ganyan, nag-aalaga ng matanda, ay talagang dapat sumunod ka sa batas. Kasi nga, ang tao dito sa part ng Amerika, Canada, mahilig sa mga kaso-kaso, mga kaibigan, hindi katulad sa Pilipinas. Iba. Thank you, Mr. Nick Shirley, for your tireless work. Okay. This happening into SBI. Why were tape face blurry? Naka-blurry daw kanina. Samantalang ipinakita naman doon sa labas ang kanilang my God, that is it. Chris suck embracing. Shame. Oh. Payback time. Freedom is the most important. Ay talaga. Mga kaibigan, nagtataka lang ako sa mga halimbawa sa Pilipinas naman, iba naman sa Pilipinas, iba sa Amerika Sa Pilipinas yung mga nakukulong pinapakain pa ng gobyerno yan pakainin pa ng gobyerno. Dito sa Amerika pakainin din. Kaya lang tayo, iba tayo medyo payaman pa lang tayo Sa Amerika mayaman na talaga Dapat sa mga nakakulong sa Pilipinas, patanimin ng mga gulay. Sa bundok, ikulong. Meron ba tayo nun? Kasi anong nangyayari, punong-puno ng kulungan Tapos pagdating umaga tanghali, pinapakain natin. Siyempre, di pakain. Tax ng bayan ang pinapakain sa mga yan nakakulong na. Di ba? Wala nang pakinabang. Pero may iba tayong mga kaibigan Opinion ko lang sa Pilipinas. Alright? Dito naman tayo sa Amerika ulit. Balik tayo Etong couple na human trafficking, 19 years ang hatol. Human trafficking. Pilayin mo. Ito mga kaibigan, pag nagtayo ka ng business na ganyan, bahala na nga kayo. Alright. Mga kaibigan, basta maliwanag dito, itong couple na ito ay na-charge ng 19 years in prison. Okay? Anong masasabi nyo? At subscribe, comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.